everyone, welcome on my channel. For today's video I will prepare a step-by-step process of powder brows. I'm going to use hybrid pigments. I already prepared a video about how you can take pictures before and after the procedure, so if you are curious, you can check this here. First things first, we always have to disinfect the brows properly. I really like to pluck the brows because when I pluck them properly from the beginning, it's much easier for me to find the shape. Let's clean the other brow too now. After you pluck the hair, you can use the brush and look if it's good or not. If you see some additional brows, you can remove it, or if it's okay for you, you can leave it like this and remove it later. For pre-drawing, I really like to use mapping string in a white color. First, I like to do the bottom line, then I look for thickness of the brows, and the top line is where the highest point will be. Now we have to find beginning of the brow, then we move client's head, we want the top line, and also the end of the brow. Now we take thickness over here and move it to the other side. We move the client head. We take thickness over here. We move it to the other side. And we take the last part and we move it to the other side too. Now you want to create beautiful lines. So when you doing this line, you only move it with the same angle to the bottom part. Move your client head. Now you find the bone and you only connect it at the same point. You can beautifully see your basic shape. Now we want to do the same on the other side. So let's find the top line, connect, move the same angle to the bottom part, move your client's head, find your bone, and only connect. When you want to check if the brows are even, you can go behind the client and push the skin to your side. When I have my basic lines, I stretch the skin properly and I pluck the brows again. If you want to create beautiful lines, your pencil should be really sharp and clean. In order to create clean and precise lines, you should stretch the skin properly and do small movements. Very short movements. And we are also following our white line. Take your concealer, put it on your glove. You should take on your brush only a little bit of concealer to create a precise line. Stretch your skin properly. you can blend your concealer with the finger like this. We start over here in the beginning and we do exactly the same on this side too. Your lines should be really precise because then you can create nice and clean outline. It's really important. This part is very, very important for you. When you are done with your concealer, go behind the client and check the direction of your bottom lines again. It's really helpful for you to see if the brows are even. Here I would like to add a little bit more concealer. After you are done with your pre-drawing, you can clean all unnecessary lines. Now when you're done, you can brush your hair and check if you like your shape. Put your client's chin up and check your brows. Don't forget that your client's face is not symmetrical. You always go behind the client and check the bones. Your bone is giving you the direction. So if it's not 100% symmetrical, be okay with that. It's normal. In a sitting position, you can make adjustments if you see that something is not really good. I like to fix my shape at the end with Johnson baby powder. It really helps you to fix your shape, and then during the procedure you will not lose it. Don't forget to show your clients your shape. If she's okay with that, if she likes it, you can start with tattooing. Now we finished with the first part and I will see you in the next video.